What up, my people, man? This is your guy Fidelis from Blog in PG. Today, I want to answer one important question when people don't they ask. They say, why old bloggers, they look for partnership, for Adsense, where they go take run monetization, make money. Why? Why they find partnership? Why they no fit get their own Adsense? Begin make money inside. Why do they look for other people Adsense and other people blog? They make money inside. In this video, I go tell you why and everything. Let's go. Number one reason, search traffic. Search traffic, now those traffic where they come from Google search. I explained in depth in my previous video, right? So OGs understand, say you need search traffic to consistently they get even traffic where they land for your website. People go, they come your website, they look for something steady. And search traffic, it always get higher CPC because these users, they land on this website with an intent. They search how to do this thing, they land on your website. If they click on ads, the CPC they always high because of that intent to make them come to the website. So many algorithms they into this, but just understand, say search traffic, they get high CPC and RPM, right? Now, if you get many of this search traffic and OGs begin to run arbitrage, or you begin to run arbitrage for that kind of blog, your CPC go ordinarily day higher because this search traffic they mix with your normal traffic and it go day hard for Google to detect anything like arbitrage traffic. Number two, man, Google deduction don't hit you before. Google deduction. There's something where Google they do. They deduct your money based on invalid clicks. You understand? If all your traffic source they come from Facebook or other ad network where you say they run arbitrage, Google will most likely deduct your money. Some people they make 10,000, 20,000, 5,000, 3,000. Google can remove everything. Remain with maybe $20 or $5 or $15. Sometimes they remove everything entirely. And once they remove everything, sometimes clicks no go dey count on your AdSense again. AdSense go dey show for your blog, people go dey click am, but clicks no go dey count. You no go dey make money again. AdSense go come dey useless. Though there's a solution to that, which I will make a video for. So this na the reason we make it still push back to the previous fact. This na the reason we make OGs want a blog wey don last for like a year, don receive multiple payments, and they get small search traffic. So to avoid Google deduction, not counting clicks and several other things, they make OGs, they like partnership. Only way is when we say your arbitrary traffic on today over excessive rather. And you understand the fact, say arbitrary traffic no need many clicks. You just need a few clicks with a boosted RPM and CPC, you go make so much money. Only 10,000 clicks on AdSense. No. With your search traffic mixed with arbitrary traffic, you will find out say maybe you they bring 2x clicks of what you they get from search ordinary, or even 50% of what you they get from search ordinary. You join onto your arbitrage, it go boost. Number three, and the last for now, Google ban. You know that no reply, Google no reply email. They make people they angry at every other thing. Imagine when you don't make 20,000 this month, you don't make 40,000 previous month, where they won't pay you this month, then Google finally ban your AdSense account. You understand? So to be on the safe side, OGs understand, say new AdSense no go fit carry too much money, right? What OGs they do? That they partner with people who don't get existing website, where they get search traffic, where they get constant traffic, they run their arbitrage on top. So you know go fit just carry, not be say you know go fit carry new AdSense begin run these things. You know go make too much money. And if you make some kind of money, it's either they ban you or they deduct. Sometimes you can be free. Nobody get a full proof against this thing. But will they tell you, say, more than 50% of new AdSense accounts, more than 50% of fresh AdSense accounts cannot carry so much money. Even if you carry money inside, that money they shake. You understand, say that net 30 paid on the 21 of every month. Meaning you don't earn previous last month, you go earn this month before you go reach payday. You can lose both of them. So my dear friend, my dear bloggers, if you get AdSense account, we don't earn money in previous months and they get search traffic, send me a DM. I go to give you a very good percentage every month of what we earn together. You go to see them for your dashboard. We get small terms, so to keep me on the safe side and to keep you on the safe side. So send me a DM, let's work together. More print money now. 2024. I mean, you don't want to buy Lamborghini. See you on the other side. It clear, I be no clear. If you clear, you good. If you no clear, until then, I don't mean.